Welcome. This video will show you the steps involved in adding and auditing commission profiles using the corporate office. A commission profile is a reporting page that allows you to see what will potentially be paid out for commissions in the selected period. The data shown in this profile won't be final, but is a view into what will be paid at the end of the period based on associate qualifications. Let's get started by logging into the corporate office. In order to configure this feature, the user's role needs to have the permissions selected in the Commissions section. Click the Commissions tab to be taken to the Commission Runs page. Click the New Profile button to open the New Profile pop-up window. Add a description. This will help to give context of the purpose of the profile. Then select a date the profile will expire on. Select the compensation plan template you wish to use, and the commission period you want to audit. When all this is complete, click the Create Profile button. Numerous commission profiles can be created for the same commission period, for testing and auditing. The new profile will now show in the uncommitted commission runs list. View the profile by clicking the View button. This navigates you to the Commission Profile Detail page. On the Commission Profile Detail page, you can review the payment pools, merchant totals, rank profiles, bonus profiles, and commission details boxes. The Payment Pools feature shows the breakdown of the commission payments by bonus. The Options side panel data is a display of all the qualification options and conditions that have been programmed in the compensation plan. These are the qualifications achieved for the associate to qualify for the bonuses. The Merchant Totals feature shows a breakdown of payout based on the payment method type. This should equal the used amount that displays in the payment pools. The Ranked Profiles feature offers a breakdown of the associates being paid at each rank. The bonus profiles are a grouping of the type of bonus that was paid out, regardless of rank. You can download each bonus profile to compare data. The Commission Details feature allows you to search for specific associates and view the commission amount being paid to them for the period. Using these features, audit the commissions to be paid. After reviewing the information and finding it is correct, click the Lock Commissions button at the top of the page. The lock period pop-up will display requesting confirmation. Confirm by clicking the lock button. The Lock Commissions button changes to the Commit Commissions button. The commissions are now locked, and the amounts can't be modified. The commissions can't be paid, however, until the commission run has been committed. Review the commission profile again. When everything is accurate, click the Commit Commissions button. The Commit Commissions pop-up will open. Click the Commit button to confirm. As a note, committing commissions can only be done once on a profile. Do not do this until all numbers in the profile are approved. The commission run will go through the data and commit the commissions. The profile is now in the Committed Commission Runs list, where it can be viewed by clicking the View button. Once committed, the amount to be paid out is final. The profile will only show what will be paid out to the qualified associates. Anything that is being held, forfeited, or otherwise deferred will display after the profile has been committed. Further information regarding overrides, adjusting payables, and approving payments will be covered in later videos. You now know how to add and audit commission profiles using the corporate office, allowing you to see potential payments for commissions in a selected period. For more in-depth videos, tutorials and how-to guides, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com. And thanks for watching.